Hindi pa naman huli ang lahat. May konting panahon pa rin namang natitira and magiging magandang gauge dyan would be our friendly game with Mexico and Montenegro. We're not yet on track, not until players like Jordan Clarkson, like Kai Soto, and even Scottie Thompson will finally play together with the rest of the team. I think yung tatlong players na yan are a very integral part ng campaign natin into the coming World Cup. Kahit paano, unti-unti, with Clarkson's arrival and hopefully with Kai finally agreeing to play for Gilas in the same way with Scottie, hopefully, no, makahabol yung rehab niya, yung recuperation niya from that hand injury, makahabol siya para makasali sa Gilas Pilipinas. I think that's the only time na I can say we're fully on track of our preparation for Gilas. Hindi pa naman huli ang lahat. May konting panahon pa rin namang natitira and magiging magandang gauge dyan would be our friendly game with Mexico and Montenegro. I think that would be a very good gauge on how far we can compete with the rest of the competition sa FIBA World Cup. Kumbaga yung Chinese Packet Tournament, konting patikim lang naman yan no? Yung dalawang teams na kinalaban natin doon are not really going to the World Cup and compete no? So, I think yung crucial talaga dyan yung Mexico and Montenegro dahil yun, sure na talagang maglalaro dito sa World Cup.